think so, from what I can tell. Where's it at? Do what? What, is Chrissy freaking out?
Products like clean options by Ray.
They right down there.
Also help make a better life for families here and here.
Chrissy's freaking out. Humidity is breaking. It's nice out, it feels like now. Ooh, shit! Holy crap!
Yeah.
Holy crap! It was like straight, like where the firehouse is. It was like straight down. I saw it like.
Oh my God!
Hit.
Fire!
Holy crap! That was nuts. I wonder if I got that on the camera or not. Holy crap! And it like rumbled, like you could hear it like bounce off like everything.
It was bright too, I saw it.
It was like straight ahead, like. Like really close. I didn't have recording. I turned it off. Like just right when I turned it off, it did another big one. Oh my God! I might have gotten the boom on camera, but I didn't get the lightning bolt on camera. I don't know exactly where it was, but I saw it. It was kind of like right in front of me, kind of, not like, it was far away, but like, it was like straight ahead. It was in my viewing, like of seeing, like out here. Well, I don't want to turn the camera off. I figure I'm gonna miss something.
For Huron County until
look how big that red thing is.
Milan now, Florence into Wakeman, down toward New London. There's Route 250, Route 18, and Route 20 is State Highway 113 also getting hit with some heavy rain, frequent lightning, and some wind gusts that we measured earlier. Findlay had a wind gust of 61 miles per hour. Looks like the winds have diminished a little bit, and this storm appears to be weakening somewhat. See these bright green areas here? This is the wind speed moving toward our Doppler radar at Hopkins Airport. The brighter the green, the higher the speeds. And again, these bright greens, 45 to 55 mile an hour winds right now over Norwalk, capable of taking down some trees. Here's the storm near Shelby into Mansfield.
Doesn't seem that windy out here.
In Bucyrus, it was clocking.
I mean, I can't really tell, but it doesn't even seem like there's any wind in the trees.
Again, weakening here, still some gusty winds.